This is the beautiful Tiff. Look at Tiff. Oh, so sweet. A sweet little Tiffany. Oh, look at the shells. Gorgeous. Yes. Tiffy girl. There's the big one. Yay! So rusty. Needs a good clean out. A little bit of scratches there. It's got its pin. There's the top. And there's the other parts. There's the front. Rust and crap all over it. It's complete though. It has everything, surprisingly. And then we have, there we are, focus. We have the other side. So beautiful, all rusted. Down the back it needs cleaning. Gosh. It's got some sort of issue there. Something happened to it. Apart from that, it's really nice. Cigar. Oh, cigar. And there's the front. The front grille. Gorgeous. Well worth the trip.